Hello children. In previous video we have done the textbook work of the lesson The Greedy Dog. So today I will tell you how to write dictation words, frame sentences, questions and answers, and one activity of the lesson The Greedy Dog. So children, be ready with your English double-lined notebook, 2 sharpened pencils and an eraser. I will show you how to write in the English double-lined notebook. Children, are you ready with the English notebook? I hope you have written here number 1 like this, as the English notebook is mentioned as the number 1 notebook. Then you must have filled details here. You have written your name, standard, division, subject. You have to write English C.W. that is English classwork. English C.W. Then write the name of the school, Shri Ma Vidyalaya. Now children, you must have used some pages to do the classwork of all previous lessons. So take out the next new page and write today's date in the red column on red line. 10-8-20. Like this, write the date. Then here write capital L dot capital NO dot 5. It means lesson number 5. Then on the red line write the title of the lesson, that is The Greedy Dog. THE, the, capital GREEDY, greedy dog. Now while writing children, you have to leave the space in between every 2 words. Now you have the practice of writing in 4-lined notebook, and now you have to write in double-lined notebook. For that children, you have to remember that this is the second line and this is the third line. Always remember, this is the second line and this is the third line. Then where are the first and fourth lines? First line you have to assume above the second line, like this. You have to assume it. This is your first line. Second line, third line, and again here you have to assume the fourth line. Okay. So now you have 4 lines in front of you. Now while writing the letters like B, D, T, which start from first line, these letters start from first line. So you have to start writing those letters from above the second line. From here you will write the letters like B, D. You have to start writing those letters from here, B, D, T. Okay. Then letters like G, P, Q, which start from second line and end below the third line, means fourth line. So those letters you will start from second line and end them below the third line here. Like G, if you want to write, you will start from second line and end it below the third line here, like this. Okay, and rest letters like C, E, I, you will write in second and third lines. Now let us write dictation words. Now to write capital D, you have to start writing it from above the second line. As it starts from first line, start writing it from above the second line. So write like this: capital D, I, C. Now T will again start from first line, that is above the second line. T, A, T, I, O, N. Dictation words. W, O, R, D also again you have to start from above the second line. Words. Okay? Are you writing, children, with teacher? Have you finished writing dictation words like teacher? Then write here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So write the numbers from 1 to 11 like this. Okay? Have you written numbers? Now let's write the first word. Barked. Now to write the B, you have to start it from the first line, that is above the second line. So start from here, B. Write B from here. B, A, R, K, E, D. Barked. I hope now you know how to write in double line notebook. So write like teacher. See how teacher is writing and you write like teacher. Second word is peace. Now see here, children. P will go down till fourth line. So write it below the third line like this. P. Okay, see how it has gone down. P, I, E, C, E, peace. While writing, you also say the letters, say the spelling and then write. Third word is hungry. H, U, N, G, R, Y, hungry. Fourth word is started. S, T, A, R, T, E, D. Started. Then fifth word is cross. C, R, O, S, S, cross. Sixth word R, I, V, E, R, river. R, I, V, E, R, river. Seventh word is bridge. B, R, I, D, G, E, bridge. Next, eighth word is reflection. R, E, F, L, E, C, T, I, O, N, reflection. Ninth word is thought. T, H, O, U, G, H, T, thought. T, H, O, U, G, H, T, thought. Then 10th word is greedy. G, R, E, E, D, Y, greedy. 11th word is shop. S, H, O, P, shop. Now after 11th, 12th word, you have to start from here. So write the numbers here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Write the numbers like this from 12 to up to 20. Okay, now let's start with the 12th word, that is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. 13th word is catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. 14th word is looked. L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. Number 14, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked. Number 15, another. 15th word is another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. 16th word is bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. 17th word is himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F, himself. 18th word is opened. O-P-E-N-E-D, opened. 19th word is without. W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without. W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without. And the last word is understood. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D, understood. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D, understood. Then here you have to write dictation. D-I-C-T and dot. It means dictation on O-N, on 18-8-20. It means, children, your dictation is on 18th August. Before that, you have to learn all these 20 dictation words very nicely. And on 18th August, teacher will ask you any 10 words from these 20 dictation words. Okay. Now turn the page. Now the first question is frame sentences. For that, write Roman 1 like this. This is Roman number 1. Then write capital F R A M E, frame sentences. Leave the space and write SENTENCES, sentences, frame sentences. Okay. The first word is cross. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Put a dash. Now we have to frame the sentence by using the given word cross. We should cross the road carefully. Let's write this sentence, okay? Write W capital. We should, SHOULD, we should cross the road, 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 carefully, 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 and underline the word cross. Then leave one line and write number 2. Don't forget to underline the word cross. Now the second word is barked. BARKED, barked. Dash. The dog barked loudly. Okay, let's write this sentence. T capital. The dog barked loudly, 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 and underline the word bar. It shows you have used the given word in the sentence. Now leave one line and write number 3. Looked, LOOKED, looked. Dash. My father looked very happy. Let's write this sentence. Okay. M capital. My father looked very, VERY, very happy, 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 and underline the word looked. Hello children. No, don't close your notebook. You still have not finished your written work. Just now you have finished only 3 frame sentences. And now children, you know how to write in double-lined notebook. So copy all the questions. Next, all the questions from here. For that, first leave one line and write Roman number 2. See here how teacher has written, and write Roman number 2. Answer the following. Children, are you writing? You have to finish your work. Write fast. ANSWER, answer the following. FOLLOWING. Then write question number 1. Next line, in the red column, write question number 1. Why did the shopkeeper, SHOPKEEPER, shopkeeper. Now let's go to the next page. Run after the dog. Then put question mark. After each and every question, you have to put question mark. Then write capital ANS dot. Next line in the red column, write capital ANS dot. It means answer. The shopkeeper ran after the dog because 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 it means dog. It ran away with a piece of meat, and give full stop. After each and every complete sentence you have to give full stop. Now leave one line and write question number 2. See here how teacher has written, and then you write nicely. What did the dog see in the water? What? W capital. What did the dog see in the water? Again put a question mark. Next line in the red column, write answer. The dog saw his own reflection in the water. Give full stop. Leave one line and turn the page. Then write question number 3. What happened to the dog in the end? What happened to the dog in the end? Put question mark. Yes, very good. The next line, write answer ANS dot. The dog had to go home without any meat. Give full stop. Leave one line and write question number 4. Describe DESCRIBE. Describe the dog in the story. Answer. The dog was greedy. Give full stop. Again leave one line, and now as this question is based on activity, no need to write any question number. Just copy the question nicely. Draw a dog with basic shapes. Draw a dog with basic shapes. Give full stop and go to the next page and draw a dog like this. First draw a standing rectangle, big standing rectangle. Then draw 2 small triangles to show its ears. Then draw 2 small circles to show its eyes. 1 small sleeping rectangle to show its nose. And standing, sleeping, slanting lines to show its mouth. Then at the bottom, draw 4 small rectangles to show its 4 legs, and inside each leg draw 2 small standing lines to show its paws. So like this, children, draw a dog nicely with your pencil. Have you completed your written work, children? Here our written work is finished. So complete your written work by your own. Don't tell your parents to write for you. You are going to write all the question answers by your own. I know you can complete it nicely. So keep writing and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.